We continue the characters related to cooking way in this video. The first character is
煲，
meaning boil. For example,
煲湯，煲水，煲粥，煲飯，中國人習慣飲煲過嘅水。
The second one is
蒸，
it means steam. See the examples below.
蒸燒賣，蒸魚，蒸籠，蒸嘅食物一般都係健康過油炸嘅食物。
Next is
燜，
meaning stew, braise, with slightly weak flame cooking for hours. For example,
燜牛腩，燜豬手，呢間餐廳最有名嘅就係燜牛腩。
the last one is
燉，
meaning stew, with weak flame. We normally do it like this. A container which contains food is put into a pot filled with water. When cooking, the temperature of the container can be controlled not exceed 100 degrees Celsius. For example,
燉燕窩，燉湯，燉冬瓜盅，呢間餐廳嘅燉湯好好味。
don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.